Hey YouTube, it's me, Julian. Here's a 2017 Acura NSX, which is the 2017 F-Case Super Treasure Hunt. There it is, has the gold or yellow Spectra-friendly paint with the real rider tires or the rubber tires. Has the TH logo back there on the bumper. Pretty cool. We have the regular one, which I did review as well if you want to check out my channel for that one. So I think for this one, I'd say the yellow one, the paint looks better than this one. I feel like it kind of turned out not as what they intended it to be, but I guess they knew that the Spectra Flame would do this. I mean, it's not bad. It's more gold than yellow, or kind of brownish, but still cool nonetheless. It is a Super. Picked it up from Diecastic. He sold it to me. Recommend checking him out if you don't know him already. But pretty good details on this thing, on both of them, for the mainline and the Super. Headlights and details, headlights and taillight details are on there. Same with the hood emblems. There's a base if you want to see that. Pretty cool. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.